fix the specified procedure could not be found. Error in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Method 1. Fix corrupted system files. Use command prompt commands to repair system file corruption. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. After entering all commands, restart your computer and try again, and your problem should be fixed. Method 2. Perform a malware scan. If that didn't work. Method 3. Use System Restore. System Restore is a feature in Microsoft Windows that allows users to revert their computer's state to a previous point in time. This can be helpful if you have made changes to your system that are causing problems. Select the one you want, ideally before the issue started occurring, and go ahead with the process. If that didn't work. Method 4. Reset Windows. If none of the previous solutions resolve the issue, consider resetting Windows. Keep in mind that this is a time-consuming process, as the Windows reset will remove all your apps and require reinstallation. Click on either Keep My Files, if you want the computer to be reset without losing any of the user data stored on it, or Remove Everything, if you want the computer to be reset and any and all user data stored on it to be deleted. If presented with a warning, simply click on Next. When prompted to do so, click on Reset.